Let's look at defining the clear problem and solution. So it's important to make sure that your problem that you're solving is very, very clear. So you want to talk about holes in the market, pain points for users, customers, pain points for businesses and merchants. Show that you know your market. Show that you've done the research, or that you just have knowledge from background experience or what have you. Show that there's a real problem that more than just, a few people have. Discuss prior attempts at solving this problem by others. So this is kind of where you can go into competitors, or you can save competitive analysis for another time. So then decide how you're going to go about solving the problem. So this is where you insert your detailed solution. Diagrams, words, paragraphs, research. More importantly, this is your opportunity to dive headfirst into your unique strength, right? So you're going to dive headfirst into how you're going to tackle this problem, how your product works along with solving the problem, and whatever is the key feature, the key function of your project, this is where you go and highlight it, and you just jump right into it and explain in detail. So let's look at some examples. So let's look at VinChain. These guys go right at it. You scroll down just a little bit. They go major problems in the car industry. So you talk about all the information being faked about vehicle history, the process of buying a car, making less money on a sale because of not knowing the true condition of the car, not knowing the buyer's background information. Databases aren't open to consumers. That's a big deal. So these are huge problems. This is why it's a great product, because there's so much unreliable data. And so then they go right into their solution, their idea. They highlight the keywords. They have a video that describes the solution, right? Talk about data being faked and changed, open system. So this is a perfect example. I love this example. Let's go to one more. Let's look at RentBerry. And so RentBerry is a rental platform on the blockchain. And so they talk about their track record and all this and their mission, and then they go right into the problem. Outdated rental platforms, right? Four-pronged approach, 4 problems, right? Limited rental experience, essentially no value in terms of the application process, very bad listings, non-transparent rental experience. So there's so much that from agents hiding information, landlords hiding information, uncomfortable bidding wars, all these different things, right? So they're aiming at a lot of things here. Then we got frozen rental deposits, right? There's, that's a good problem too, because you have, misuse of rental deposits. Smart contracts could be help out with that. Limited investment opportunities, right? And then they go right into the solutions here. So you have a big diagram that kind of networks out the solution, global expansion. RentBerry plans to streamline the entire rental process using blockchain and smart contract technology, eliminating the need for a middleman, making it possible for tenants and landlords to complete all rental tasks in one place. So perfect, right? This is another great example. Let's look at one more. So Lumia does it a different way. They give you the big headline that says right to own your personal data. In a world where personal data has become a precious commodity sold behind closed doors to large corporations, the Lumia tile gives individuals the right to own their personal data, along with the freedom to choose how to sell and share it. So perfect, really crisp, clear. I like the other examples better because they're a little more demonstrative, but this one works as well. So you can see very good, clear product and solution, problem and solution statements.